Do not take care of your finances. By the time you are headed to the first month, you'll not see the money coming in. Any business related to you making money on a daily basis, you need to be very, very careful with how you manage your money. You do not want to run your business just as a kiosk. Not be running a small business. You don't have any bookkeepers, you are doing everything on your own, and you do not have a budget tracker to guide you. That is the biggest mistake you can make as a small business owner. This is very crucial because you see, as a beginner, you are starting your salon business. Your finances are everything. If you do not take care of your finances, by the time you are headed to the first month, you'll not see the money coming in. So one thing I have done very consistently is saving on a daily basis. So if I make at least 1,500, I'm not eating that money. Like, I'm not using that money for anything. It's literally going to my saving fund. I have a business fund where I save this money every single day, because you see, as a salon or a barber shop owner, or any business related to you making money on a daily basis, you need to be very, very careful with how you manage your money, or else by the time the month comes to an end, you'll not be able to pay some of the things, some of the utilities, some of the bills, just because you were not managing your finances very well. So you need to be very crucial with your finances. Every shilling that comes, I can literally tell you, the first 3 months, every shilling that comes needs to go back. It needs to have, you need to have a business account where you are saving your money on a daily basis. Because me, I get money on a daily basis. I save my money on a money market fund, because I know that it's easier and very fast for me to be able to get it anytime I'll need it for my business. So that is exactly what you need to do. Save your money on a daily basis, and save it in a place that you cannot access it very easily. Like here in Kenya, we have something like M-Pesa. So it's very easy for someone to say, I'll save my money in M-Pesa. And then you end up, finding yourself that you're using the money. Yeah? That is the biggest risk you can do. Again, when you are starting your business, either whatever it is, please just open an account, a specific account, specifically for your business. You do not want to mix your personal account with your business account. That is the biggest risk you can make. You don't want to mix your money, your personal money, that's the one you need to use, with your normal money. It doesn't work that way. Make sure that the money you make on a regular basis in your business, you actually have a business account where you save, and this is the amount of money I have made in this week, and this is how it's going to be used. You don't want to be taking your money from your business and using it in your personal account. You don't want to mix those two. It will mess you up. Another thing is, please keep records. Keep records every time, especially when you're working with 2 or 3 people. It's good for you to keep records, whatever you have sold, in terms of, let's say, in your salon you're selling braids and you're doing services. Put aside money for the services and put aside money for the braids, so that you know how much braids has brought in. And also, if you're selling other things, it's better you put aside. You don't want to mix your services, the money you offer in terms of services you offer, and the money for the products you sell in your business. Those two needs to be a bit separate. So it can be in one account like a money market fund, but in different category. Like you can say for the service and the products. That way, like, this product has brought in this amount of money, I have sold this amount of products, so this is the amount I need to have. And even if you're not there, maybe the people you're working with, make sure whenever they sell a product, they write it down, so that you can know that this product has been sold and this money needs to go here. Please be very careful with your money finances when it comes to a small business. It will literally cost you a lot, and you'll find yourself going back in the same cycle, not making the money you want. Not because that business is not making money, but because you have not been able to sit down and manage your finances very well. One thing I want to say is this: please have a budget tracker for your business. You cannot be running a small business. You don't have any bookkeepers. You are doing everything on your own, and you do not have a budget tracker to guide you. That is the biggest mistake you can make. As a small business owner, you do not have a lot of money to invest in a personal accountant or even a bookkeeper. But you can be able to invest in a budget tracker that you can get it down here below. The link is down here below. Please use that budget tracker to help you in managing and knowing how your money is flowing. Like, this budget tracker will help you to know the rent you need to pay. That budget tracker has outlined everything for you, from the rent, the bills, how much you need to place, and then you know how much you're remaining with, how much is the money that you need to pay yourself. All this is outlined in that budget tracker, and it's an annual budget tracker. So that means you can be able to use it for the whole year, and you can be able to track your money and know exactly where your money is going in. So you do not want to run your business just as a kiosk. It doesn't work that way. If you want to see money coming in your business, then you need to put in the right measurements, especially in your finances. I have been very strict about this in my business, and I can literally tell you I have seen some growth. It's just been 1 month in running this business, and I've been able to see the money coming back in. I'll literally create a video after this walking you through about on my monthly budget, on how I have been able on my monthly budget for the business. So you definitely want to check this video out, and you do not want to miss every detail if you're a small business owner or aspiring one, so that you do not miss out on this. So once again, start that business. Start that business. Put yourself out there. Be willing to learn. Be willing to fail and learn out of your failures. Do not put yourself down just because you don't have the extra money. Do not put yourself down just because you failed in that one business. I have failed in so many businesses, but I still keep myself out there because I know that I am better than this, and I know that I can do better. So you too want to be able to put yourself out there and start making that money in your business. If you have found value in this video, I want you to just like this video, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell, because you don't want to miss the next video on the monthly budget and how I break it down to you to see how much I have been able to make in my first month in my small business, so that I can help you just to be able to know how to manage your money also, and just be able to know how to put your money in the right place, and how to be able to make sure that your business does not run bankrupt. From me to you again, it's bye bye. See you on my next video.